Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Telegram code not sending. So if you're trying to sign in using your credentials and you're waiting for Telegram to send you a code to your phone and you didn't get it, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. First of all, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the mail and make sure to go to send to sms@telegram.org. Right? Again, SMS, right, at telegram.org, right? And the subject is no code. Enter your phone number and the problem which is I didn't get an activation code for Telegram. In the Telegram update in your iOS 18, if you iOS version of update, if you are using iPhone or iPad, and the locale in the MNC, which you can find in the iPhone credential option, right? You're gonna be able to go back to your screen, then go ahead to the settings, general, and then click about, and you're gonna be able to see all of your information. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the main settings, go to the cellular data, right? Go to the cellular data option, make sure to switch to a 5G. As you can see, I don't have a 5G, but you get the point. Next, what you're gonna do, adjust iMessage settings. Scroll a little bit down, go to the apps, and then messages, right? And make sure to turn on the iMessage so you can receive the code. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna disable the message filtering. So we're gonna go to the main settings, right? And we're gonna go to the apps and try to pin down messages, right? And you're gonna find the unknown in spam option, right? I think, yeah, filter unknown senders right here, right? And then once you turn it on, anyone who has a shady or has a weird kind of credentials, right? Like not official platform that's sending this code, you're gonna turn it off in order to receive all of it, right? The good, bad, and ugly. Next, what you're gonna do, go back to the main settings and then go to general, scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management, and make sure to turn on the VPN, or you can just download a third-party app and switch to your location immediately or automatically, basically, and use Telegram, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, go back to the screen, go to the Telegram, hold the Telegram app, delete the app, double click to delete it, and re-download it again from App Store or Google Play, and that should fix it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.